Welcome to VSP Unity. As we told earlier, in association with the VSP Unity, Vishwan Computers is providing important question for computer students. This is a subject related to BCom Computers final year multimedia systems. And important questions in this particular system, in this particular subject, we are going to discuss in our today's video. So I won't suggest you people that you people will be getting 10 on 10 if you are reading this. Just you people can answer all the questions that you people are getting in the question paper if you people can read this particular things. Okay, so let's get into the video. Unit 1 of multimedia system. Some questions that you people may expect in the question paper is define multimedia, what is multimedia, and the properties of multimedia. This is a basic question from unit 1. So what is multimedia, you need to explain, and the properties related to multimedia. Okay, and the next question is explain about data stream characters and multimedia systems. Okay, and the next question is write about different audio and video formats. Your people will be having different kind of formats. It is a general knowledge, I can say, those who are using systems like where people will have different kind of images like .jpg extension. We will be having different kind of formats like .jpg, .gif. In the same way, you people will be having different kind of formats for audio and video. You people might have went through this in the classroom. If you're not getting it, just comment us so that we could make a video. And the next one in this unit, that is discuss MIDI in detail. What is MIDI? You need to discuss that. Okay, so important question, you may get this in the examination. Just go through it. It's a very important question. So okay, if you are not getting that, just comment us so that we can explain you in the video what is MIDI. Okay, and next one is write in detail about speech recognition and speech analysis. See, you people are using nowadays, you people are using the technology better. That is how you people will recognize the speech. See, through the voice, you people are searching something in the Google and you people can analyze them. You people can transmit that into other languages. All those things you people are doing. How you people are doing that you people should explain in the detail. And the last question for the unit 1 is explain digital presentation of audio. How you people will present the audio and digitally, that you need to explain. This are the important question for unit 1. మీరు ఇవి చదివితే అన్నీ రాస్తారని కాదు, ఇవి చదివితే అన్నీ అటెంప్ట్ చేసి మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ నుంచి బయటకు వస్తారని మేము అనుకుంటున్నాం. సో ఖచ్చితంగా ఇవన్నీ చదివి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. అన్నీ చదివి మీరు ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్తే బాగుంటుందండి. లెట్స్ నాట్ వేస్ట్ ద టైం, జస్ట్ గో ఫర్ ద unit 2. Unit 2 important questions that we are having is explain in detail about analysis and recognition and transmission of digital image. How people will analyze and how you people will recognize, how we people will transfer images. All this information will be there in this. Just go through it. And the next question for unit 2 is explain in detail about a video representation. How do we represent? And I'll say one more question which is related to video. These are not two different questions. It is combination, I can say. Discuss in detail about video transmission. How you people will transmit the video. And the next question that you people are having is define animation. Explain in detail about computer based animation. What is animation, you should say, and what is a computer based animation, you should write. And the next question is explain various methods to control animation. How do we control the animation, that you need to write in this particular answer. And let's go for the unit 3. See, I don't want to drag the video. Just I am explaining you people what are the important questions. If you are not getting anything, just let's know through the comments so that we can make a video onto it. Okay, next question from unit 3 is discuss about the data compression standards. How do we compress the data and what are the standards that we people will follow. Okay, and the next question is define warm and compact disk. Explain about CCDA. This is the next question. Okay, and the next one, explain in brief about CDWO and also explain the concepts of sessions. So these are little complicated words, I can say, but you people can easily understand if you are going through your notes and classrooms. And if you're not getting it, just comment us so that we can make a different video, because if you are explaining all the things here, video will become lengthy. Okay, let's go for the next question. What is disk scheduling? Write about group sweeping scheduling and mixed scheduling. Say you people can say schedule. It depends on you people. Just go through this answer. And the next question is, explain about the multimedia file system. How do we follow this multimedia file system? Just you need to explain that. Let's go for the unit 4. Let us see what are the important questions that we do have for unit 4. Okay, let's go for unit 4 here. See, the first question that we are having here is for unit 4. Define collaborative computing. What are the collaborative dimensions? What do you mean by collaborative computer, and what are the dimensions that we will follow for this? And the next question is, what is multimedia database? You need to explain and explain about MDBMS, multimedia database management system. Okay, write about the basic synchronization issues and synchronization reference model. Next question. Okay, and write in detail about QoS and resources management. Also define the relation between QoS and resources. This is a comparison, I can say, and differences are the relations between them that you need to explain. If you know about QoS and resources, that you people can easily mention, and how you people will manage the resource, what are the available resources, and how you people could keep them in the queue, and how you people will access them, that you need to explain in this question. Okay, and then later let's go for one more unit 5. These are the questions from your unit 5. Let me go for it. First question that you are having is, write about multimedia preparation or as media preparation. Explain various devices available in the multimedia preparation. What are the devices that you people will be using? And define media composition. Explain the various editors used in modifying the data. What is the media composition that you should write, and various editors that you people will use to modify the data, that you need to explain. See, these are the most important questions. You should follow them, because we are explaining only long questions. We are not explaining any short questions. If you are covering them, you people can write both of them as per our knowledge. But I'll suggest you people go through these long questions and go through the entire short questions that you people are having in your notes, else in your textbook. And the next question that we are having is, I might have done with the second question. All right, let's go for the third question. Define a media communication. Explain various services and their implementation. Okay, what is media communication? How do we implement them? That you should explain here, and explain in detail about media consumption, and write about viewing multimedia documents. How we people will view those content from multimedia, and multimedia consumption means what. All these questions are long questions which will come in the examination. I'll suggest you people go through all the short questions in your material or else in the notes that is given by your lecturers, or the material that you people might have bought outside. And these are the important questions that you need to follow in your examination, that is multimedia subject. This is for BCom final year. So if there is any doubt, if you are not getting any topic, just I'll ask you people, I'll suggest you people go through your comments. So we'll see the comments and we'll make the video onto that particular topic. We'll definitely try, even if you are not having time also, we'll try to make the video onto it. Thank you for watching the video. It is very lengthy video. It is all about 10 minutes video. So I'll suggest you people go through all the questions and make a perfect notes on it and write the exam well. Thank you for watching.